got feet. Ooh, that's ugly. Oh my god, it looks so. Look at your cat. Ew, you're gross. Perfect. That's definitely what I can do. So today, drink of the day is a caramel macchiato. Look how they were cute. They wrote my name. I have a banana nut muffin. And then for snacks, I have a chocolate brownie Cliff bar and extra toasted Cheez-Its. Miss Sarah, what do you have? What's your meal?
Homework. I brought three pieces of chicken sandwich and then
Did you individually wrap them all?
yeah, I did. I lost it. I think I only put it on my dead body. Genuine.
Those two. Look at the board, guys. Wow. We are very much not academic. Okay, so we added more to the board. I think anybody who walks by and sees it enjoys it. We wrote this thing on the board. The thing is, our room is like right as people walk by, so they see it and they just like start laughing. I didn't eat. I do girls like eat a muffin prettily like. There's no way to eat a
I think to get off is to eat it. I think that's
I'm so messy.
that's kind of French too.
I ain't French. Hey, do you like our board? Like the
Yes, I know this first thing that I saw was
Just got out of class. Now we're going to like. Well, she had class. Me and Asira were just like vibing, and me and her were like drawing. We were just drawing, but yeah. We're going to this like fall kickoff thing now because they always give out free stuff, and we kind of like free stuff a lot. So yeah. Tastes like what? Wow. That was so good. That was so good. La la la. Look who we ran into. I got this thing. Did you get this too? Oh.
No, I don't want pizza. I think that's what it's for.
You should get one of these.
Where is it?
Right here. Look who we found.
I didn't even know you were vlogging.
I am vlogging. We're waiting. What's really boring? Yay. Amazing. It's my favorite person. I got my 5 stamps. Democracy. Okay, everyone, I'm showing you my classroom with all my students. I don't really like them. They're kind of bad. Guys,
I pledge allegiance to Jenny and the United States of Liberty, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under Jenny,
Those individuals will never do justice for all Jennies.
Boo. Me.
See if I can do it. No, I have flavor in it. Does this count? I don't think so.
Wait, I see what I can do. Mr. Round! What's happened? School got canceled tomorrow and the day after because of a hurricane, so hashtag featuring Jenny hurricane quarantine. It is so... Welcome to Florida, guys. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but it's fucking raining really hard. Ah! And I'm home.